So we're here today in beautiful Port Manatee in Tampa, Florida area. On board we've got 9 Aquilas, brand new, so we've got 9 eager owners awaiting delivery of their boats, which we're very excited about. We've got an amazing MarineMax team here to assist with the offload. On board the ship, we've got our brand new hull number 1 of the Aquila 47 Molokai. This is a brand new model for the Aquila range in our offshore product lineup, which consists of the Aquila 28 Molokai as well as our new Aquila 47. We're very excited about the 47. Lots of interactions with customers on the 47s. So we're very excited here at Port Manatee. Look forward to a great offload.